Hey guys, welcome back to Delph. Today I'll be showing you how to make TeamViewer full screen. So guys, first things first is of course open up your TeamViewer, and now of course you have to ask your friend about their ID, and in order for you to connect with their device, and of course they have to share the password as well, and you have to log on. And now once you are here guys, to make it full screen, you will have the full screen icon at the top right corner over here. Enter full screen mode and you will have this tab. So pretty much it's like another desktop but onto the remote. Another option, you can go for the view and you will have the scaling. So pretty much in default, it will have the best fit, or you could go for the original or scaled. And pretty much this is the only settings that you could tweak or change, and pretty much having the full screen will look like this by selecting the full screen icon. And if you want to exit it out, select it again, and you could also go for the maximize the TeamViewer if you don't want a full screen totally. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And guys, if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.